Hello and welcome back. You are probably wondering if you bought the wrong camera or you bought a correct camera but you don't know the settings for the sound. Well, there is no microphone for the 4000D camera, but there is one thing that I need to show you. When you are using the 4000D to record your video, here's what you do. Turn on your camera, then go switch to movie mode, go to menu. Then you'll see movie exposure in the first tab. Go to the second tab. You'll see movie record size and the sound recording just at the bottom of the movie record size. Click on the sound recording. Sound record is auto, which I prefer you to use the auto. Do not use the manual. Then in wind filter, make sure it is set to enable, because when you disable it, it will capture all the sound waves. That means that it will tamper with the sound that you are recording. So use wind filter. Then your footage will have a nice sound. Thanks for watching. Check my other videos on 4000D camera.